jungle cargo helicopter. And on this, it looks like it comes with this little cargo basket, a helicopter, obviously, and what's it called? A Jeep type of thing. And on the back, wait, I have to see the back too. It looks like it's oh, I didn't see the chain. I was like, it's dropping that truck. Okay, on this it looks like it's driving away from the temple. We build a temple here, the temple, dropping down on the temple. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe, do post notifications, and like this video. Thank you. Cue time lapse.
All done. Yeah, show him that cool hook.
Okay, so here is the Lego set, and it has this really cool hook, and I think you can pull it, maybe.
Use the gear.
And I think maybe you can turn these, I'm not sure. And I think
you turn these, yeah. And then, right here, we can.
Oh, that's cool. That'd be funny if a helicopter really did that.
One does in the world. Can I do it? This is the question. And here's the inside.
Yeah, now they can see how the gear and how the rope can attach onto this.
On a helicopter, wouldn't it be bad if it's flying and then halfway through the flight, wherever it goes, it's gonna be gone.
That might be bad. And the giant crab, ugh.
Where's the spider?
A red spider? That'd be a mean spider.
There's only one.
I guess it is a spider.
Yep.
Yeah, the hook is really cool.